We in camp called CULLEN.
I went first. My team ain't for 2 people. Me and my team went and did our thing, baby. We was the first ones to get jerked around.
So my whole vision for Capo Camp CULLEN is basically to take some kids out of my community to a place and a location they never been before in their life, give them an experience that they never experienced in life.
I like Camp CULLEN because it was cool and I experienced something that I never experienced, like going rock climbing right there and playing and meeting new people that I haven't seen at all.
It is an amazing camp. We get to do different kinds of activities like arts and crafts, zip lining, canoeing, climbing tower.
My Camp CULLEN experience was actually really fun. My favorite part was the pipeline slides because those are really fun. But the stairs, they start tiring you out when you keep going up and down.
That one, you get to also meet new friends. You meet new people, enjoy conversations, and the beautiful view you get to see morning, afternoon, and evening.
Okay. Hi, I'm Tessa. I work at Camp CULLEN, and I got to hang out with the really cool kids that you guys brought to our camp. The first day y'all were here, you came to Alpine Tower, and 2 groups came at the same time. It was so much fun. You guys were supporting each other, encouraging them to get to the top, cheering when you guys got up there, and I really enjoyed the time I got to spend with them. So thanks for taking them out here.
I'd never been out of the water like that, unless I was in a lake. I actually never went canoeing before, so that was a very great experience for me, and ziplining.
It probably won't sink in to me till I'm really just back on that bus riding home. When I'm on my way riding home and I'm just looking out the window, and then I just start thinking through my head all the good stuff that, the people was able to provide for me, and the position that I was put in the situation coming from my community. I know that 90% of the rest of my community, they'll probably never get the chance to experience what I done saw. So that be my whole thing as far as just, knowing that I got a chance to experience something that 90% of the people that I'm around, they would never see.
Video, you done see it? Have you rack your boat, give me all you make go up and carry that. You see what happened?
Alright, show the people your card.
Let me see, what's your card?
Let's see the card. Let's see the card. Now you gotta put it on top. Alright, you got it? Everybody see your card? Y'all saw her card? Y'all saw it, right? Everybody saw it. Everybody saw her card. Y'all can see it? Everybody saw it? Everybody saw her card. Everybody saw it? I did. This it?
You ain't shuffled nothing. Ain't nobody about to.
I've had them at multiple activities and they've been awesome. Out of all the kids that we have, honestly, they're rocking. And yeah, thank you guys.
And I was backwards. I'm probably shaking right now.
It's over with. There we go.
There you go. He couldn't even come on.
We got this man named Mr. Wayne, always trying to prank us and scare us. But, yesterday night,
So Coach Capo took into his heart, into his hands, that he wanted to prank us. So Mr. Martin took everybody to the basketball court at night. And then the weird thing, Miss Kiki came up there by herself. And that was weird. So when it was time to go, everybody went half down the red stairs. Everybody just started screaming. And then all you know, it was just Coach Capo and the people in the woods trying to scare us.
She's such a fun, energetic person. I like her. She's funny, adventurous, fun to be around. I like her.
You gonna miss her?
Yeah.
We done had 4 great days of great experiences. How y'all feel?
Good.
How y'all like it?
Great.
What happened to y'all last night?
We had a blast. We got tired. We got scared. We got tired. We got scared. We got scared.
Wait, go to hardwood, medium wood.
Keep on. My message for coming to Camp Cullen this year mostly will be about respect. You know, that's what we highly on, is just about respect. You know, respecting others, respecting your adults, respecting yourself. A lot of kids lacking in respect, you know, lacking in discipline, lacking in confidence. So like I said earlier, that's just what we come into place, and we come in to help them, let them know that, you know, sometimes kids might do the wrong thing, but it's just, if you come across them the right way and say it to them the right way, they might react the wrong way, or they may react the right way, just depending on how you come at them, like the results that you will get from them.
Yeah, I had all the fun. I read Coach Capo for the rest of my life.
I learned that when you're scared, all you have to do is don't think wrong and nothing will happen.
Thank you for having me here. It was an awesome time.
I just want to tell Capo that I said, thank you for letting me come here, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be enjoying this very great experience. And this experience I'm going to keep for the rest of my, until now, until the rest of my life. I want to say thank you so much, Coach, because this was such a fun experience for me to come to Camp Cullen, because it was actually my first time in the camp.
I learned respect. I learned a lot of respect and responsibility from coming to this camp. So.